Hey guys, it's not the end of the day yet, but I'm going to try to do my video before it is, so that I can, my phone's going to die otherwise. We're going to try to get this out today. It looks like a latex. Grant's working on this Hunter low profile now. I got one of the almond Panamas out because somebody bought it, and I'm going to ship it to them. These cool sockets came in today. Those are pretty cool. There's not a whole lot new out because we haven't, today other stuff came up and we haven't had a chance to put a lot out today, but I'll show you. Oh, 2 mini Minkas came in today. Grant replaced the pull chain on one, which is pretty impressive. Those 2 fans are still here. This must have came in on Friday. New tones are still here. This must have came in on Friday. It's got cool stencil on the other side. That's still here. A lot of stuff sold here, but the Minka's still here. This Minka came in, and it's $475 new, so our general policy for new stuff is 75% off retail, so I got it at $125. If it doesn't sell, I'll drop it down, but that's the Habitat policy. Homestead's still here, that's still here, that's still here. This came in today. Oh, Grant priced it. Good, I hadn't gotten around to it yet. That's still here. Delta's still here. If it's still here in a couple weeks, I'll mark it down. A bunch of these summer brazes came in. Subway's still here. Now, the back is full. I'll show you what we got. It's nothing that I don't think anybody will be impressed by, but I'll show you. So, this little brung or whatever it is came in. Oh, this is cool. We tested it. We were going to put it out. Fan didn't run. So, but I thought it was too cool to just part out. So I'm going to, when I have time, I'll see if it's an easy fix. If not, I'll part it out. Anything cool in here? Well, it's not just generic stuff, but still. It's a nice haul. That's probably the coolest thing. Okay. Thanks for watching.